Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in smoky grey metallic. Featuring that 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with the remainder of the 3-year manufacturer warranty. Starting off at the front, you benefit from LED headlamps, provide a fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding, heated wing mirrors and privacy glass on the B pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Inside is lovely R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara seats, and there's a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. At the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheels a full digital display housing all your vital driving information. And alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps on your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems on board as well, to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist and much more. And to help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. There's multiple driver modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And a little bit further down the cabin is dual zone climate control on offer with a little bit of storage below, with a couple more USB-C ports and wireless phone charging. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link below.